So today is the first day. Officially, we are heading out, and this is the view. This was very peaceful early in the morning with birds chirping and a very quiet ambience. So the view was looking really majestic. Secondly, this is our stay. We were staying over here. Abhi we'll be going to the skywalk. Finally, we got dressed and we are heading out. We are going towards the skywalk finally. Today is the day one of our tour where it's a short trip, that's why only one day we'll stay. We stayed over here yesterday and today we are heading towards the skywalk. And we'll take a cable car ride also. But first, we decided to have some breakfast and we ordered 4 different types of dishes for. So one of the dishes didn't arrive. The rest were like pav bhaji, sandwich, dosa, and toast. After breakfast, we started heading towards the ropeway or the cable car. We're walking towards the cable cars to move towards the skywalk now. सब लोग ऐसे लाइन बना के चल रहे हैं. It's all white everywhere. It's like we are on the cloud. And I'm wearing boots to walk mountain terrain. So here we started walking happily amidst greenery and fresh air, fresh mountain air to reach the skywalk to see India's first class skywalk and also enjoy the phenomenal angles of Himalayan peaks, which is a visual delight. This is the cable car towards which we are walking to board one ourselves. We पहुंच गए. We are supposed to go for the ropeway from here. So the ropeway costed around 300 for each person.
This belongs to us.
ये लॉक नहीं करेगा?
नहीं.
ऐसे जाएंगे ब्लॉक करते हुए. लॉक नहीं किया.
She was clearly traumatized since the gate wasn't locked.
वाओ कितना अच्छा आ रहा है कंची. डर लग रहा है.
Finally, we are at the cable cars.
हमको भी मजा आ रहा है.
Enjoying
और ना कैमरा में देखने और ये खुद से देखने में बहुत डिफरेंस है.
गाइस हम लोग यहाँ से कुछ भी नहीं देख पा रहे हैं फिर भी हम लोग देख रहे हैं. दूर दूर तक पूरा दिन दिख रहा है. ये नीचे देख सकते हैं आप लोग.
मेरे को क्या अच्छा है.
लॉक कर दे रहे.
तो चांस ही नहीं कुछ.
हम पूछ दिए ज्यादा. तो गिरने का बार बार क्यों सोच रहा है?
इस साइड इतना
वाओ अच्छा है. कंची वीडियो है वो. तुम स्पेस बढ़ा रहा है.
अरे तो क्या पता था वीडियो में.
उस तरफ लोग हैं इधर पीछे
देखो इधर देखो.
चारों ओर केबल कार्स पीछे.
पहुंच गए.
मेरा
तुम लोग का इधर देखिए, हाय हाय कुछ तो करिए, हाय।
वीडियो
We are going towards the Pelly Skywalk now, which is in front of us. I'll be showing that to you. We all are going. The place, there's a skywalk over there. Finally, we are going on the skywalk, which we were waiting for so long. This is the way. Again, it started raining. We are having a hard luck this time, but we'll make it good now. We've come to the skywalk, but the sad part is it has started raining. It's drizzling right now, but that insane view is. So we took the tickets, which is 100 rupees per person, and now we are heading towards the skywalk. Wearing this, covering our shoes in this blue packet, which we received for 20 rupees each pair.
हेवन स्वर्ग जा रहा है, देखो ना देखो।
वाह भैया हम लोग सीधे स्वर्ग, हम लोग 1200 में स्वर्ग आ गए।
This is the current view from the skywalk. We were supposed to see clear mountain range, but this is what it has turned us. अब फिर से आना पड़ेगा आने। Yes. It was quite crowded as well as messy due to the rain. So this is what we. हाँ, खतरनाक व्यू है।
है ना,
It's like us amidst clouds and fog. So this was adjacent to the skywalk. It's a massive bronze statue which was present, but due to the fog and cloud everywhere, the weather kinda made the view like this. It's a beautiful monastery up there with traditional Buddhist wall paintings, and it offers a very peaceful and spiritual read. So now we'll take the flight of stairs and go upward. I don't know how will I be able to walk. It's a very long flight of stairs that we have to take in order to reach to the top. So let's see. This is where we are going. We reached, and this is what it comes up to. This view would be far more clear if the weather would be aligning with our itinerary. The vibe over here was very peaceful, and soft traditional music was being played in the background, which gave a very soothing effect in the one of the oldest monastery. This is what it looked like. And now we are heading back. We are very likely drenched, and this was what my outfit looked like. We took a couple of shots. It's really beautiful place, just that the fog everywhere disturbed us and kind of ruined it for us, but still there are chances we fall down. एनी आर यू कमिंग? नो। क्यूट है। We are heading back. Me and my group will be going to Gangtok. Now we are done with Pelling over here. Pelling journey ends over here. We return to the hotel, take our luggage, and then we head towards Gangtok. Next exploration is over there. Back to the ropeway. फिर से ropeway से वापस we'll go to our hotel and then we'll go from there. Finally we are in the ropeway.
नहीं भी करेंगे तो मजा आएगा।
बोलो उसको बोले तब जाके किया।
सुनो ना, वो करेगा, वो
करेगा।
ऑटोमेटिक रहता है।
We are in the cable car now.
वीडियो
Going back.
वाओ, अब लग रहा है।
And this is what the view is.
तुम बंगाली में नहीं बनाती हो?
नहीं, इसको बोलते हैं बंगाली में बनाओ।
हाँ, बीच बीच में बोलना।
ठीक है।
हमें उड़ची
उड़ची
उड़ची बोलेगी।
उड़ची,
उठ रहे हैं मतलब
हमें उड़ची
जा-
हवा में बादल को बीचों बीच हमें
घूमची
जाती-
हमीन घूमची।
My
वो
friends
देखो।
वाओ
trying
चलो,
to. Oh my
guys,
god, this is the
ये हम लोग का होटल का बाहर का व्यू जो हम लोग नहीं देख पा रहे थे, अब देख
finally clear हो रहा है.
इसको यहाँ रख
नहीं,
दो।
उल्टा
नहीं
side
नहीं
है।
नहीं
हम लोग को इधर देखना था, बट नाउ वी आर
So after that we secured our luggage and headed on for the journey to Gangtok. This is what we came across on the way. On the entire trip and the destination versus Annie on the journey. She's sick. So the journey from Gangtok to Pelling to Gangtok was really hectic and long, so we were all tired. After reaching, we decided to eat here. This was Shere Punjab in Gangtok, where we decided to eat something before heading out. Come to Shere Punjab for having something after a long drive, but now we are looking for hotels and sitting in the lobby, waiting for the people of my group to find something, and then we'll plan to roam around the MG Marg, explore it. So finally we found a place and I got change to go to the MG Marg. बोल दो कि हम लोग MG Marg जा रहे हैं finally. Finally we reached Gangtok and we are going. Again we got ready.
वो करना है क्या?
We stopped here for a nice drink. MG Marg सामने है. I'll vlog that.
अच्छा ठीक है, तो घर की बात है।
It's raining heavily wherever. This is the vibe at MG Marg. It's raining heavily. Or we are looking for something woolen because tomorrow we have Nathula Day. We kept strolling around the MG Marg for some time and grabbed dinner, and then we went to our hotel and called it a night.
करके भीम के बारिश
सब रेडी.
अब हम लोग
ये अब सब लोग बहुत फ्रेश
सोच रहे कि ये नेल्स ऐसा गंदा हो गया।
हम लोग सब मुंह धो के फ्रेश हो गए. अब सोने वाले.
ये मेरा नेल पेंट रिमूवर है।
ये व्लॉग कर रही है. और भैया
और हम
कुछ
लोग
तो
जो
कर
रूम
रहे हैं।
लिए हैं वो रूम अच्छा तो है बट थोड़ा
बजट
हाँ, फिर उसके बाद हम लोग टैबलेट खरीदने भी गए थे।
Here we were talking about some tablets, some medicine regarding something which happened to everybody over here on the trip.
तो मैं टैबलेट लेने गई
ऐसे-
नेल पेंट लगाए थे
वो तो बस ऐसे ही
एनी बोल रही है वो भैया को नेल पॉलिश और फेक नेल्स.
हाँ फेक नेल्स भी लगा दिए थे नया नया खरीदे थे तो मेरे को एक मॉडल चाहिए था
यार, बहुत
जिसमें
अच्छा है।
लगा के प्रैक्टिस करे तो मेरे पास ये मॉडल है
So we were having fun conversations amongst ourselves, and just after this we slept and ended the night. कुछ ऐसे दिख रहे हैं polar bear types.
और किसी का मोमो है मोमोस